Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we are going to take a look at WORKPRO sockets. Alright guys, these are not your average everyday sockets. These are going to be impact rated sockets with 6 points on them. Being impact rated, they are made with CRV steel, which is going to make them rust resistant, corrosion resistant, and just make them overall last much longer. Their overall wear should be a lot better. They are going to be laser marked, and they're great for things like automotive, machine maintenance, anything that you are going to need to use, nuts and bolts on. This is going to work great. I work a lot in the construction industry, and I'm always using impact rated sockets. And I will usually use something like my Milwaukee here so that I can actually drive these things in. WORKPRO is an excellent tool, and I am using them more and more every day. Now, you can use it with the impact like this, or you can use it with the old-fashioned type wrench like this one. Now these are going to be 1/2-inch drives. These are the 2-inch sockets so that they're not deep. These are going to be the shallow version. So what you're going to have is you're going to have 14 in each one of these containers. I have metric and I have SAE. So let's open up one of them here and see which one this one is. This is going to be my metric, and if you look at it, it's going to start down here with 10. We go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We jump to 21, 22, 24, and 27. That's all 14 pieces on the metric. Now let's take a look inside of the SAE version. And it is going to start with 3/8, 7/16, 1/2. We've got a 9/16, a 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 15/16, 1 inch, 1 1/16, 1 1/8, and 1 1/4. So you've got a very wide assortment here that is going to cover pretty much everything. So say you're an auto mechanic and a lot of your cars are coming in metric, you're going to have metric. If you've got a lot of things that are still going to be dealing in the US SAE version, then you've got that as well. So one of the things I like about the WORKPRO set is the fact that you're getting these nice heavy duty cases that you can just flip over and snap in, and you can throw this under the seat of your truck. You can throw it in a toolbox. You can carry them around really easily that way, but you keep them organized. One of the problems you always have with sockets is that you'll get the sockets and they end up all over the place, and before long you're missing sockets. So I like this. So you use it, it goes right back into the spot that it was in. Now let me point out some of the things that are important here. I'm going to pull this big one out here so that you can see a little better. The first thing I'm looking at is the black color, which is the polished part of this. Now when I see black, I automatically assume that this is going to be an impact rated socket, because 9 times out of 10 anything black usually is. Now one of the things I'm looking for is I'm going to look for those 6 points in here I was talking about. That's going to help it grab your nuts and actually open them, or your bolts, and break them loose without stripping. And that's really important, because a lot of your cheaper type sockets are not going to have 6 points. They may have only 4, and they slip, and when they start slipping they start stripping, and then you have problems. So I always look for something like this. I like the fact that the socket itself is actually etched, and it's etched in a white color that where I can actually see it. A lot of times on sockets they're just actually kind of etched into the socket but with no color, and it is hard to see. So you're struggling looking at, well, what is that one? And a lot of times I can tell just by the size of the socket, because I've done it for a long time. But a lot of people don't have that same ability because they're not always working with sockets and dealing with stuff like that. So having that etched in is great. They even etch in the WORKPRO name under it. But there's one other thing that's really important on these that you want to look for. A good socket is going to have a little hole on the side. That hole allows it to lock into place, because if you look at your ratchets, even on this one, you're going to see this little ball bearing. that ball bearing needs to go into that hole. So don't just slam this on without looking. Look where the hole is. Look where the hole is on your wrench, and you line those two up. And by doing that, it's going to lock it into place. Now on this one, you push the button in and it slides. By pushing that button, it moves that little ball and makes it easier to come out. But what that means is this isn't just going to fall off. If you have a lesser made socket set that doesn't have that, you're going to constantly be putting the socket back on the wrench, and it can actually come off while you're trying to loosen or tighten, and you end up hitting your knuckles. So I look for things like that. I like it, but you can see that is still pretty deep. I mean, that's going to get a lot of, bolts and nuts loose or tightened, whatever it is that you're trying to do. So now I'm just going to take it off by pushing the button in, and it's free. Now on this one, we don't have a button, but it is made to still go the same way. You line up the hole with the ball bearing and you slide it on. Now it'll come off easier, but it's still on there pretty good because I put it the correct way. I see guys constantly doing that the wrong way. And now I can actually use the impact gun. Now you want impact rated tools like this if you are using an impact gun, because it puts out a lot more torque, and the steel needs to be made to withhold that, or else it will just crack. And believe me, I have used regular ones on an impact and I have cracked them, especially on large ones like this, especially working on things like putting in concrete anchors. It's very easy to start cracking them. So when you get done, you just put your other tools up. You take these, put them in, and close, and close. And now I have metric and I have SAE together. I can put them under my seat, like I said earlier. I can put them in a toolbox. I can do whatever I need to do to either carry these with me or have them readily available in my shop. So if you're looking for a really great set, I don't think you're going to go wrong with these. If I was rating them on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give them 5 stars, because I believe WORKPRO really stands behind what they make, and they make a very good, high quality product. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, or pick yourself up both. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you guys on the next one.